Okay. Yeah, everyone right present. Okay. Already have it. Nikhil, Pranali, Shivani. Your attendance is not recorded. You write it again. Nikhil, Pranali, and Shivani. Only those. Okay. Today I am in college actually. Okay, I'll be taking lecture from college. Okay, and those who have got vaccination, kindly fill that form, a Google form which I have sent, the link which I have sent yesterday, and upload your certificate if you have got. Even otherwise, if you have not got the certificate, you can fill the form. Those who have at least taken the vaccination, वो लोग तो
सर
करो
वो
please.
बेनिफिशियरी आईडी भी नहीं मिला है अभी तक।
क्या नहीं ले रहे?
सर वो बेनिफिशियरी आईडी है ना 14 डिजिट्स का, वो भी नहीं आया है अभी तक मैसेज उनका।
तो फिर ठीक है, बाद में कर,
ठीक है सर।
चलेगा। ठीक है, बिकॉज वो लोग डेली पूछ रहे कि कितने हो गए करके। मेरे को भी लेना है, मैं भी अभी तक लिया नहीं।
So,
या
so for me to take vaccination, it will become late, sir, because I had been tested positive for COVID,
अरे बाप रे।
and still I have to wait for
अच्छा,
3 months, sir.
yeah, you have to wait for 3 months. It's okay, it is not compulsory. They are just asking the information who have and who have not yet taken.
Oh, okay, sir.
Yeah, and it is as per the register, matlab VTU has informed for every college to just give an information about. That's serious. But how are you now, Naina?
Yeah, sir, I'm fine, sir.
Chalo, I hope today तो नहीं, but maybe today will be second last lecture of this module. And anyways, now we have discussed so many things about second module that I have explained these things as well. Business planning process, ये सब थोड़ा सा ना I have explained already. Okay, I'll just go through because this is not that interesting as far as theory is concerned, because when you go in the field or you start making your business plan or stuff, then it is useful actually. Okay, but more or less it is covered in business model canvas, business model में भी more or less this is covered actually. ठीक है, तो इतना डिटेल में तो नहीं है, but I'll just go through this planning process, how the planning process will be, and what is a business report or a project report, how it needs to be made. ठीक है, तो उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इतना डिटेल भी नहीं है. Okay, so I'll just begin this. इसके पहले क्या क्या था, एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अ बिजनेस प्लान. सो वी हैड स्टार्टेड बिजनेस प्लान हिस्ट्री में क्या था. ओके, objectives of a business plan we did. Yeah, exactly. Creating opportunities, evaluating performance, gauging business strategy, arranging financial resources, staying consistent, keep the goals SMART, then performing SWOT analysis and marketing analysis of the plan. And elements, what needs to be there in a plan, yes sir, and how the process will be, मतलब start कैसे करें अभी. Okay, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर विल बी इन्वेस्टिगेशन. अभी एक आइडिया आ गया तुमको, कुछ करना है, बिजनेस प्लान करना है, ये आइडिया है बस कि बिजनेस करना है. So first of all, there will be investigation, some sort of investigation. Okay, this is a very old, and the slide which I'm explaining, this concept is very old. Okay, after this, the business model canvas, the idea generation process, the creativity and everything was developed later on. So this includes everything from beginning till the end, until the new process also have been included in this. ठीक है, ये starting से है. So in this case, in this concept actually, the person will be starting के हाँ बुक खोल के अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं कि चलो I'll do business now. ठीक है, I am planning to, I am not going to do a job, I am at least planning to do a business, and I hope at least 47 है ना तुम लोग, तो at least 5% of you should start a business. ठीक है, मेरा assumption है. ओके, मास्टर्स इन बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट करके बिजनेस तो करना ही है किसी, एटलीस्ट 5% को. सो लेट्स इमेजिन कि 5% ऑफ यू आर थिंकिंग टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस. ठीक है, अभी स्टार्ट कैसे करें, हम बुक ओपन किया, बुक में कुछ लिखा नहीं है, ब्लैंक बुक है, पेन लिया है, पेपर लिया है, बुक लिया है, then how to start actually? The first process in that is preliminary investigation. Investigation will do, you have studied in the research methodology, primary research, secondary research. Okay, so preliminary investigation will involve that research. Basically primary research will be get involved. Primary research, when you go in the field, ask to people directly and take their answers, whether you will prepare a questionnaire or you will do an interview. It will be exploratory, descriptive, कैसे भी kind of research रहेगा. Then
Harshal.
okay. किरण आ गया, हर्षल नहीं आई. ABH. ठीक है, तो ठीक है, देखते आते हो. आगे. Everyone can see the slide, right? दिख रहा है. तो फर्स्ट था प्रिलिमिनरी इन्वेस्टिगेशन और प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी रिसर्च का there is an involvement. हाँ, you have studied in the research methodology. Primary research क्या रहेगा? When you go outside in the field, actually you talk to people, or even if you don't go, you are on a call, take a telephonic interview, या फिर you are sending a Google form and they are replying back. Even that is a primary research. Secondary research, the research has already been done. Okay, it is published and you are taking the information from that. Okay, like your balance sheet and profit and loss statements, you are extracting from the company to analyze, to do a ratio analysis or to do a financial analysis of any company. So that will be a secondary research. Okay, exactly what is the financial strength of the company I'm finding out from the available information from the annual report of the company. Yeah, to be available है, वहाँ से you are getting an information. So that is your investigation. So investigation में you can find out, is there any problem, is there any complaint by the public, so that I can start a business related to that. I can provide solution for the customer. So ऐसे कुछ करना है क्या? So that you are analyzing using preliminary investigation. ठीक है, we have studied this in first module in how to get an idea whether it is your complaint, your passion, or any problem, okay, in the society. तो अगर ऐसे कुछ है तो that gets involved into preliminary investigation. Next is idea generation. Well, we have dealt in detail idea कैसे generate करते हैं. Okay, so when you start a business, doing an investigation की requirement क्या है? What is the requirement in the society or in your environment wherever you are staying? The requirement क्या है? You are finding out the requirement, then you are generating an idea related to that. If there is a problem, you are finding a solution to the problem. So that comes in idea generation. Third is the scanning, the environmental scanning. Okay, this is A, this is B. The external environment I'm scanning, and internal environment. External environment, again, we have studied in economics in fifth or sixth module about pest analysis. Yeah, if you remember. Pestle analysis, political, economical, social, technological, then ecological and legal. Pestle analysis. So external environment, I'll analyze everything. Okay, from what is the political scenario, what is the ecological thing, whether I can start this manufacturing of this product or it is very harmful for the environment. ये सब. Legal क्या है? Okay, legal aspects we'll study. Okay, in the further modules to come. Legal aspects कैसा है? Because when you're starting a company, you don't know where to register your company, whether to start a partnership firm. ठीक है, what will be there in the partnership deed? उसमें क्या करेंगे? Whether you want to start a private limited one-man company और क्या exactly क्या? ठीक है, so that we'll be studying in fifth and sixth शायद से. Okay, company, how to incorporate a company बनाना कैसे, how to keep a name of a company. जो मर्जी नहीं रख सकते, इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड करके नहीं रख सकते कंपनी का नाम. Okay, or Reliance Limited, you cannot keep a name of a company Reliance Limited because it is already there. Okay, so which kind of company name you can keep, what should be the members, how many members should be there for private, for public, for partnership. If it is a one-man company, what are the different regulations. So ये सब things you will analyze in the terms of legal. So pestle analysis में पूरा you will study for the external environment. For the internal environment, you will check what are your strengths and weaknesses. Again, strategic management, strengths and weakness, SWOT analysis which you are doing. Strengths and weaknesses, your internal. Okay, what is your strength? What is your weakness? Opportunities and threat, again, comes in external. So opportunities, threats, segregation will be a kind of a pestle analysis. Threats can be from political, threats can be from social. If you are like many web series and movies, and many a times there are some protests when a movie is launched, or some it is hurting some, like Padmavati movie ke time pe tha. Then many web series also, they are hurting certain sentiments of certain class of society, to nahi kar sakte. So there is a social environment also which get affected by your product or your service, anything like that. So you need to take care of that. Okay, internally, okay, whether you can you have the machines, you have the resources, you have the manpower, you have the knowledge, you have the intelligence, ये सब क्या है, तो ये internal हो गया. Then feasibility, then next again feasibility में again you will do a primary kind of research. ठीक है, again research methodology का use आएगा. In feasibility, you will do whether it is first of all market analysis you will do. Okay, in that you will do a exploratory research if it is a new product. If the product has already been launched, and then you are checking which kind of customers are using your product, why they are using your product, you're building a kind of a profile, then you're describing, so it will be a descriptive research, how much sample size you are collecting. Okay, whether 1000 people, 10,000 people, 1000 people, 10,000 people, 1 lakh people, how much sample size should be there, and what sample what kind of sample will be there. Okay, whether it will be a stratified sampling, cluster sampling. Okay, probability and non-probability first वो रहेगा, फिर उसके बाद में क्या. So what kind of sampling you will be doing, what kind of research you will be doing. So this is how you will analyze the entire market. कि your product will be, मतलब चलेगा ही नहीं market, और अगर है तो what is the feedback. ठीक है, just एक movie launch हो रही है. Okay, one movie is launched, राधे जैसे लॉन्च हो गया, एंड यू आर डूइंग अ मार्केट रिसर्च ऑन दैट, कि whether this movie, what was the response of the people, whether this movie was a hit or a flop or a just okay, and whether people have watched it, whether they have left the movie in between, or whether they have watched the entire movie, or whatever it is. So you are going and asking. So it will be you are just doing a kind of a feedback research. So before launching a product, you can do a feasibility study. ठीक है, whether this product is feasible or not in the market, ये पहले करेंगे feasibility analysis. उसमें market analysis, technical और operational analysis, whether we can manufacture the product, वो technology है या नहीं. Okay, if someone of you have seen थोड़े ऐसे serials है, जैसे Sheldon, Young Sheldon series एक है, Big Bang Theory है. So there are ideas in that series that cannot be implemented because we don't have the technology. Okay, long back when Iron Man first wala, Tony Stark, when it was launched in 2000, in 2011 or something, 10 years back. So there was a concept where he used to, if you have seen, you know it, because it is related to the augmented reality, which is now present. Okay, not for the public, but it is present in some or the other IT companies. Okay, thoda hai augmented reality. You have the the glasses which you wear, or the kit, you will attach it to your eyes, and you will get a 6D vision of it. Okay, 3D analysis, 3D vision रहेगा उसमें ऊपर. You can see, and you feel that you are in that place. Okay, virtual reality, वैसे augmented reality. But 10 years back it was not there. 10 years or 20 years back it was not there. Now it is slowly getting available. So if your project is like that, so you need to check whether the technology is there or not बनाने के लिए. Then financial analysis, ये तो whether resources है, पैसा है नहीं है, whether I can arrange money from where I can arrange money. I'll do the analysis. And ये थोड़ा है interesting. This is drawing functional plans. Then I'll make marketing plan. This you're going to do as I'll tell you your assignment PPT दोनों mix है. So you are going to make a marketing plan. How you are going to do the marketing? कैसे करोगे? कैसे start करोगे? Who are your target customers? Who are your prospects? Who are your suspects? How you are going to approach them? What kind of advertisement you will start with? What will be the budget of advertisement? Everything marketing का. Then production plan. Product बनाओगे कैसे? ठीक है, from where the suppliers will supply you the raw materials, where you will get the manufacturing done, whether you will manufacture or you will give it to third party, or what are the products which you will give to the third party, or services है तो who will use the service, who will get involved in serving you in your business. ये सब operational plan, organization plan, how many people will be there, who will handle what. Okay, because one person cannot handle everything. 4 or 5 initially they are handling, then they will employ some people, and which person will be doing what exactly. ठीक है, और कौन किसको रिपोर्ट कर रहा है, if there is a problem what will happen. Okay, so ये organization plan हो गया. Financial plan, again, what is the related to the pricing, related to the cash conversion cycle which you are studying in financial management. वो conversion cycle क्या होगा, debtor cycle, creditor cycle, working capital, everything that will be done in the financial plan. Then human resource plan, which you are studying in human resource management. Okay, so what kind of interviews we need to take, what kind of qualification we require from the candidates. Okay, so what will be their position. So ये सब पूरा MBA का इधर आ जाएगा. Marketing, production, organization, financial and human resource. Yes, in detail plan you will make into your business plan. Okay, then your project report preparation and evaluation, review and control. Then ये सब plan बनाने के बाद में you will prepare a report, which I'll doing in the next class. Next slide. A report you will make of that, then evaluate your report, give it to the people, or discuss with other people who are your seniors, or who are into this business already, who can help you. Okay, so evaluation and finally review and control. Okay, or you can do the changes. ये business plan हो गया. ये when you will make it you will understand it. ये theory थोड़ा सा boring है. Okay, then it is a project. हाँ, अभी now you have set up a company. कंपनी बनाने के बाद में you are starting with a project. Project क्या होता है? Project is just one. If there is a company which is making software, and that company has been approached by a hotel. Okay, and that hotel is telling to build a software to kind of ERP software where all the rooms will be interconnected, the parking facility will be interconnected to one system, and the person sitting on that system will come to know whether any room is getting emptied, any room needs any cleaning or some sort of that thing, कुछ चाहिए या क्या है, if there is a call from any other room, if that is not getting addressed. ठीक है, अगर पार्किंग का भी है, if one car is leaving the parking area, so that is the empty parking space is there in this position. So if any car is coming in, he can tell it, he can inform anything. So that is a kind of a system which the hotel is asking the company to do. So that will be one project for that company. कि पूरा होटल का IT सिस्टम आई एम डेवलपिंग एंड आई एम गिविंग इट टू देम, एंड अल्फा बीटा टेस्टिंग दोनों टेस्टिंग भी करके दे रहा हूँ, इफ दिस इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट, फॉर मे बी फॉर 2-3 months along with the hotel I'll be sitting and I'll be checking whether any error is happening or not. So that is one project. ठीक है, जैसे एक मूवी कर देता है, एक बॉलीवुड एक्टर विल डू अ मूवी, तो दैट इज वन प्रोजेक्ट फॉर हिम. तो ये बिजनेस प्लान तो बन गया. आई एम स्टार्टेड अ बिजनेस, देन आई एम स्टार्टेड डूइंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. ओके, सो प्रोजेक्ट का एक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स रहेगा. देयर विल बी अ लाइफ स्पैन, 6-7 months में एक प्रोजेक्ट होगा, 1 year में एक प्रोजेक्ट होगा. ओके, देन अबाउट टीम वर्क एंड लाइफ साइकिल, व्हाट इज द रिस्क इन्वॉल्व, व्हाट इज द अनसर्टेनिटी इन्वॉल्व, ये सब दिस विल बी डन इन द प्रोजेक्ट. प्रोजेक्ट का कंटेंट ये रहेगा. ओके, ओके, So project content will be this. Okay, so first will be just general information about what is our experience, what is the present status, whether any problems are there or in the industry or whatever it is. So ये general information रहेगा. Then executive summary. Okay, this is very important. Executive summary is like you're giving a summary of the entire report itself. Okay, that means you will have all this in the report: organization summary, project A, sub. The executive summary will be a kind of a one-page document. Reading that summary, the person will come to know what is there in the project. ठीक है, एक पूरा summary रहेगा what is there in this report. Okay, and what is the conclusion of the report. Okay, how the project is getting implemented. Everything will be put maximum to one page. Okay, ठीक है, in 2 or 3 paragraphs the summary will be there of the entire report. Summary will consist of what is the objectives, okay, and how those objectives are getting met, and what is the conclusion, or maybe what are the different plans which we are putting in the report. वो सबका एक gist रहेगा. So any person who is starting to read your report, एक summary मिलेगा. Okay, we are putting it in the beginning itself. Summary मिल जाएगा. Or in a paper you will get an abstract. So abstract will also be a kind of a one paragraph in which the 13 pages का जो paper है उसका एक gist लिखा रहेगा. In maybe one paragraph. ठीक है, maybe in 10 or 15 lines उसका पूरा information लिखा रहेगा. You know what is a summary normally. Okay, even if you refer any textbook, chapter summary करके last में रहेगा. So in the entire chapter, what we had discussed, what we have dealt with, that will be written in the summary. तो ये executive summary हो गया. Then organization summary, organization, how the organization will be. Okay, how many people will be working and everything, all sort of things. Then next important is product description. Describing a project, actually project description, sorry, describing a project in detail, what you are going to do. If that IT company is describing the project, then it will describe the project as development of that software for the hotel and what the software will do exactly. क्या करेगा वो software? That can be a project description. Then if it is a kind of a product where we are going to sell, then there will be a marketing plan included in the report. Then the operating cost, for manufacturing cost, capital structure, how it will be, then management, how you will do it, everything will be written. And then the financial aspects and the technical aspects, what kind of financial statements you will be maintaining, what kind of technical requirements are there, what kind of technology is required, ये everything ये सब रहेगा. ठीक है, I'm going this pretty fast because ये इतना, when you do it, then only when you start making a project report और कुछ एक idea लेके when you एक business plan ही बना रहे, then you will go into detail and then you will understand it pretty much. Okay, so financial aspects ka your FM will be there. Management plan here again, management first sem MOB उसमें से आएगा. Marketing plan definitely from marketing. Operating cost again your from your FM. Technical aspects, if there is involved, if there are some technicalities is involved, you're making a mechanical project, you're making an electrical project. So in that kind of thing, technical aspects will get involved, and then finally you are implementing the project. Okay, and after implementation you are going to test as well. ये चल रहा है या नहीं, product launch किया है, sales has started, whether my product is selling or not, what is the feedback of the customers after they buy the project. Okay, and you can do it anywhere. जैसे now Pizza Hut was is there in Belgaum, and when it was launched, Google reviews में the people were giving reviews, and the person working in Pizza Hut was reviewing every review, and whatever feedback he can get, he was taking from the Google review. Some have told that the what do you say, the Pizza Hut outlet is very good, very tasty pizzas were there. Some have told that it is very costly, it is better, Domino's is better. They have directly compared as well. and some have told that we have ordered something and we got something else. Later on we realized, and some have told we ordered a kind of veg pizza, there were very less toppings on that. So he's taking the feedback of it after implementation. So after project implementation also, you will keep on taking feedback, or you are keep on testing कि ये चल रहा है या नहीं चल रहा है. ओके, तो ये एक हो गया कंटेंट्स प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट का. ओके, वेयर यू विल मतलब बेसिकली स्टार्ट मेकिंग द रिपोर्ट. ठीक है, बिजनेस प्लान विल बी बिग. ठीक है, बिजनेस प्लान बहुत डिटेल में प्लान है. इट इज योर एंटायर बिजनेस. व्हेन यू हैव सेट अप अ बिजनेस, यू आर टेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स इन योर बिजनेस टू स्टार्ट. ठीक है, या फिर एक मार्केट में यू आर मेकिंग अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड यू आर putting in one market. Karnataka में sell कर रहे हैं, तो that is your one project. When you are expanding a business and you are planning it to go to another state, then you will prepare a report of that. That is also another project. जैसे recently ये सब मिल रहा है. Bisque Farm is the name of a company. BISKFARM. So Bisque Farm is the name of a company. A small bakery was there. Okay, I was just going through that information of that company. Bisque Farm करके नाम का एक bakery है, which is there in Kolkata. Okay, that bakery started producing good amount of breads, biscuits, and all the other bakery products. Okay, and it got famous and it started expanding. And as and when they were getting funding, and as and when the sales were increasing, the profits were increasing, so they started to expand throughout India. And as they were expanding in India, so they cannot produce in Kolkata and supply to all over India. It will take time. So they started setting up a manufacturing facility, and one of the manufacturing facility they set up in Nagpur. Okay, so Nagpur se you can supply to Maharashtra and to some Madhya Pradesh, and because Nagpur is exactly the center of India, तो वहाँ से बहुत सारे you can locations you can cover. So Bisque Farm का even in Belgaum we get biscuits and other products. थोड़े bakery products भी मिलते हैं. So Bisque Farm, a company in Kolkata, slowly how it expanded. You can just Google and just read about it. ठीक है, मैं इधर spelling लिख देता हूँ. Okay, so how a small bakery expanded like this, and how they were different, and the entire history है उसका. Okay, you can refer that, because Kolkata ka ek bakery is supplying bakery products, biscuits, and everything to Belgaum. So you imagine how they have expanded and what were the difficulties and everything else. Okay, so this is the last one, feasibility study. ये क्या है? Basically, I'm doing an analysis whether my product will work or not. Okay, feasibility is defined as the practical extent to which a project can be performed successfully or not. Okay, so there are types of feasibility study. There are different types. Okay, in this ये जो तीन है, that is included in your syllabus. वैसे तो feasibility we have studied over there. Marketing feasibility है, operational feasibility, financial feasibility, वो सब है या नहीं. But as per a different concept, types of feasibility we have. In that, technical feasibility is there, economic feasibility, and operational feasibility. ठीक है, तो feasibility technical first if I talk अलग से है. हाँ, technical feasibility मतलब if hardware is there available, your technology is there, your software availability is there, ये है या नहीं है. Because when Netflix was launching in India, when Netflix launched in India actually, ठीक है, so there was 3G connection at that time. 4G was not that prevalent. So when 3G was there, so Netflix using मतलब make installing an app of Netflix and seeing movies on Netflix was very rare on mobile phones, because you can only use Wi-Fi, because that was the fastest mode as compared to the 3G connection. So 3G connection did not provide that speed where you can watch movies or web series of the Netflix. So when that was launched, the feasibility of Netflix was not that much because 3G connection. But when 4G connection was launched, Netflix pumped up its what do you say? Its marketing and then supplying of that services. They pumped up that fast, because as 4G will be coming in, many people can see the movies and they will enter into this online streaming platform, because there were not much competition of Netflix in India. Nowadays we get many. Then Amazon Prime was launched, and now Z5 is also coming up with many series. Okay, so technical feasibility nahi tha when Netflix was launched. Now there is technical feasibility. So now if you come like Z5, when it was launching its this on streaming platform, at that time there was a good technical feasibility was there. The market was also there. Okay, the software was available, hardware was available with the customers as well and with the producers as well, दोनों के पास में था. ठीक है, बट टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी एज फार एज प्रोड्यूसर्स आर कंसर्न इट वाज देयर, बट जो कस्टमर्स थे उनके पास नहीं था. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट इज ऑपरेशनल. ऑपरेशनल फिजिबिलिटी यही कि if it is a product, whether I can manufacture, whether I have the team where workers है जिनके पास knowledge है या नहीं. Okay, whether they can manufacture this, whether they have the technical know-how. Semi-skilled nahi chahiye, I have a fully skilled workers. So operational if I'm setting up a plant, whether workers are there in and around so that I can hire them to work in my plant or not. So that I'll be analyzing. ऑपरेशनल कि मैं मैन्युफैक्चर करूंगा तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के टाइम पे द वर्कर्स शुड बी अवेलेबल. ठीक है, इफ आई हैव अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ 10,000 वर्कर्स, ओके इतना ज़्यादा है रिक्वायरमेंट, so I'll set up a plant in such a way that 10,000 workers will be there. Area will also be there. ठीक है, एरिया रहना चाहिए उतने बड़े प्लांट के लिए. Some government should give some subsidies or something, some tax benefits initially, so that I can set up a plant, hire workers, start the manufacturing. I can bring the machines from outside, so it is accessible. The area is accessible from a flight or from ships, whatever it is. So accessible है या नहीं, I can, whether I can start manufacturing or not, तो वो देखेंगे हम. ठीक है, ये सब अभी बड़े कंपनीज के हिसाब से चल रहा है. Even if you are manufacturing छोटा सा ही, अभी when just COVID was started in the early 2000s, so during that time there was one product, okay, which was not that famous, but it was started. Okay, like when we bring something from outside, yeah, there was a box, it kind of a sanitization box, so we can put into the box the products which we have bought from outside, and it was connected to plug. So we used to switch on that box with the electric supply, and and like 5 to 10 minutes tak, we need to keep that on. Okay, we need to close that box, whatever things we have brought, we need to put it in the box, close the box, start the plug, wait for 10 minutes for the entire process. Then uske baad mein we can open the box and we can use the product, so that products are getting sanitized like that. Or sanitization box, there was some what do you say, a kind of a light bulbs there. So those bulbs were doing a kind of a sanitization. There was no sanitizer in that box, but एक kind of a technology था जो उसमें sanitization वाला चल रहा था. So for manufacturing of that box, उसके लिए जो ये था reflective screen, then bulbs and everything. So operational feasibility was getting checked. So one of in our college also, one of a professor who was doing that. Okay, so he was telling what ये कैसे कर रहे हैं हम लोग exactly. So they were analyzing, so they were telling us how feasible it is to do. Just take bag we can order, we can put the bulbs like that, the reflective screen here, something like that. So operational feasibility, वो बना कैसे सकते हैं, वो feasible है या नहीं बना. Okay, then finally the economic feasibility. Economic खरीदेंगे नहीं. Okay, that is available. Okay, the software or hardware, whether it is available, if it is available, at what cost, कितने में available है, and if I'm buying it, I'm making the product and I'm selling it, so whether I'm making a profit or not, whether how many products can be sold and how I'll achieve a break even या कैसे करूँ exactly. So basically cost of that products, cost of raw material, cost of my hardware, cost of software, cost of training my employees, all the cost will be I dealt with, and finally, after sales, what is my revenue? So in business model canvas, you have the below two, which I have written in the IA test as well. Many, almost all have drawn it. Okay, apart from five or six, they have not drawn the canvas itself. ठीक है, canvas is ज़्यादा important, explanation is ज़्यादा. But ठीक है, तो canvas में you have bottom two. You have bottom two cost structure है, then you have a revenue structure. Cost structure and revenue structure, this two will determine your economic feasibility. Okay, cost कितना है and revenue. If revenue is more and cost is less, then it is economically feasible. Okay, that may be technically feasible. बहुत सारा technology है, products you have, operational, you can easily manufacture, but if the cost is high, okay, and the revenue is not high, it is low, then it is not economically feasible. तब नहीं कर सकते. You cannot achieve a profit after that. तो इसके लिए you will not do. So if these three are there, you can, if these three are there, you can start your business. ठीक है, I went very fast in this. ठीक है, तो but okay, let's see what information about first sem you get. ठीक है, after that I'll tell you what you are supposed to do. ठीक है, that will be inclusive of your entire 6 modules. Okay, so that's the reason. But after first 2 modules, I had planned to give you a kind of an assignment and PPT, both combined. Okay, but let's see what your first sem ka timetable or something, whatever it comes. So after that, I'll decide and do. So in the meanwhile, we can start third module from next week. Okay. Yeah, I see. Okay, anything you want to ask? Not time. 140. Here I complete this module. So pretty big, around 50 slides. I'll share this slide as well along with the notes. You can just go through. First the canvas. I have drawn this as well. I liked it. ये छोटा छोटा भी बना दिया. ठीक है. Mainly the position of the size, basically the size of the boxes and the position of the box. Mainly the position of the boxes. Size थोड़ा चल जाएगा. इसको छोटा इसको बड़ा बनाओ but चलेगा. But it's more or less symmetric. This is 1, 2 and 3. Same 1, 2 and 3 is here. Mirror image. और ये mirror बीच में है. Value proposition. Half of the value proposition goes in the cost structure, इसका length, and half of the length goes in the revenue stream. And this is exactly half. ये and ये. If you divide this entire rectangle, so 2 halves will be, 1 half will be cost structure, 1 half will be the revenue stream. Like that. So we studied this. And कुछ नहीं? या खत्म करें? I hope everyone has written present, sir. Yeah. Think? Take care. Okay then. See you.